Hey guys, Bill Soriano here. It's Sunday afternoon, about 12:17 p.m. I wanted to do a quick video. I'm in my Forex Smart Money Trading Academy group, and I also now have this Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. And so basically, I wanted to do a quick video again, just to explain the difference and to explain, how you're able to get into the Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. Now, my Forex Smart Money Trading Academy group is a free group. It's been free for a few years now. I've been teaching smart money concepts, trading strategy in there for, well over a year, almost 2 years. But I really just started documenting the trades, religiously the last couple months, and I have those results here in the group. And because of that, now I am offering, requiring the people join me in this very inexpensive affiliate program. 25 bucks a month basically is all you need to do. There is an upgraded product you can purchase for $125 a month, but you don't need that in order to get access to my training, just the $25 a month product. And so that's goes over that here on this page here. But before we get into that, what's the big topic right now on Forex? And also, by the way, while I have you here, remember that tomorrow is a American holiday, United States holiday, Labor Day. And as such, if you're trading on a live account or you're trading on your funded account that you have, I would definitely not take any trades today or tomorrow. Okay. And also, to play it safe, you may want to skip Tuesday as well and wait until Wednesday morning, when the overnight, when the London session opens Wednesday, to actually start taking any live trades where you're risking capital, whether it's a live account or a funded account. I would stay away from that. So I just want to mention that right now, because I didn't say it in any of the videos yesterday. But we have this thing going on here with my Forex funds, and my Forex funds is a prop firm. And prop firms are firms that, allow retail traders to get a funded account. So they trade with other people's money, and they can keep, a lot of times 80–90% of the profit. So I've done these funded challenges as well, but with a different company. I've used the Funded Trader. But this company, my Forex funds here, let me just see if I could pull this up here. I don't know. There's some kind of glitch on Facebook using Google Chrome, where I keep getting a message that I'm blocked for some reason. But as you could see, if I use Firefox or if I go on my cell phone, there's no issue. So it has something to do with Facebook and Google Chrome. For some reason, something from Facebook must be pinging Google Chrome and causing them to, say that my account's restricted, when in actuality it is not, unless I'm on Google Chrome. So anyway, this is the CFTC. This is the Commodities Future Trading Commission, and this is a statement they released. I can't get to the court documents. If you go onto YouTube, you could do a search here for my Forex funds scam, and you can some of these people on these videos here, there's a few of them actually have access to the court documents as well. I couldn't find them, but this is really all we need here, because basically what they're saying is this. My Forex funds is trying to say that it just has to do with some kind of regulations or something, and that they're going to be back online. There is a hearing scheduled September 11th, right, in Trenton, New Jersey. And my Forex funds thinks that they're going to be back online right after that, I guess. But here's what this is saying here. So what this complaint is saying is that the defendants doing business as my Forex funds supposedly offer retail customers the opportunity to become professional traders, right? Using another company that's connected with them, Traders Global's money, to trade against third-party liquidity providers or brokers, is what they're saying there, and sharing any trading profits. Now, they assured customers that your success is our business. Look at this here. Your success is our business, and we only make money when you do, okay? But in reality, it was Traders Global, right? The company connected with my Forex funds, not a third-party liquidity provider, that is the counterpart to substantially all customer trades. So basically, my Forex funds through this other company, Traders Global, if I'm understanding this correctly, and I'm a chef, I'm not a legal expert or a lawyer, so don't quote me on it or or yell at me if I'm wrong. I apologize if I'm wrong. But what I see here, what this is saying is that my Forex funds was actually acting as the broker through this company here, Traders Global, which is their company, which is part of their company. And so they, a lot of brokers sometimes, when you put a buy or sell order in, the broker finds somebody else somewhere in the world to take the other side of that order. Well, sometimes, and there's nothing wrong with it with a regular broker, sometimes the broker will just take the other side of that order if they think you're wrong, right? Or whatever reasoning they have behind it, I don't know. But that's okay with a regular broker, right? But in this case, I think that's okay with the regular broker. But in this case here, it's not, because basically, if you win the trade, what they're saying is that your success is our business and we only make money when you do. That's actually false, because actually, if you win the trade, they're losing money because they're taking the other side of that trade. Okay. So what they're saying there is actually false, and what they're doing is obviously illegal. So they're taking the other side of the trade, and so they have a reason now to make you fail. And so how are they doing that? Well, the other thing it's saying is that they secretly used specialized software to cause customer orders to be executed at worse prices than appeared to the customer at the time the order was sent, and handicapping the extremely small number of successful customers to decrease customer profits and increase customer losses. So they were actually, they're using a software to manipulate the spreads. So they're giving you the worst possible entry, which causes you to lose the trade. You may have gotten stopped out at a loss in a trade when actually price didn't get to a point where you should have gotten stopped out. Okay. So not only they're taking the other side of the trades, right? And they're using a software basically to make sure you lose. Okay. So, and really, there's only an extremely small amount of people that are successful with funded accounts. Okay. I think the average person, and keep in mind now, when I say the average, okay, you got to remember a lot of people that jump into Forex, they find out about these funded companies, and they take these challenges way before they're ready, right? You really need to study Forex for a couple years and probably trade on demo, probably at least 100 or 200 demo trades. Keep a journal of everything before you should even try to take a funded challenge. Now, these funded challenges, you pay a small fee, anywhere, depending on the size of the account you're trying to get. You can get, sometimes at 10,000, at 25,000, at 50,000, 100,000, 500,000. Some people even have $1 million accounts because they're very successful traders. Obviously not with this company, hopefully with other companies out there. There are very many legitimate companies out there. Now, this one seemed to be legitimate. They were actually paying people out when they were winning. So anyway, you pay a small fee to take a funded challenge. Usually you have to show an 8 to 10% gain on your account in 35 days without losing 10% at any point during that time period. Okay. And if you do that, you get a funded account, you get the account, and you're able to keep 80, 90% of the profits, depending on how it's set up. Now, again, if that account gets to drawdown of 10 to 12% at any point, some are 8, 10, 12, then you actually lose that funded account. But other than that, you have no risk other than the money that you're paying to take the challenge. Okay. So when I say now the average person, right, and keep in mind that a lot of Forex traders just jump in before they're ready and take these challenges, trying to get these funded accounts. And they say on average, people will pay, it'll cost $2,900 on average in fee challenges for the average person to actually pass the challenge and get a funded account. right? So those odds are pretty much stacked against you there. But again, if you study Forex for a couple of years, you take 100, 200 demo trades, you get your strategy down to where you know what your winning percentage is going to be, right? Then you take the challenge. But a lot of people just jump in. So they obviously fail the challenge. They lose the 200, 300, even $400 it costs to take the challenge. Again, that fee to take the challenge is dependent on the size of the account that you're trying to get, right? So, but again, it's already in their favor, but they weren't happy with that. They made it even more in their favor here by, like I saying, they were taking the other side of the trade. So they were acting as a broker. So their customers are putting in trades. They're taking the other side of them. So now, no, your success is not our business and we only make money when you do. That's incorrect. They're making money when you don't. So when you win a trade, which is great for you, they're actually losing money. Okay. Now, they're going to keep that small amount that they don't send you. You get 80%, they get, whatever it is, 10 or 20% if you're getting 80 or 90. But as far as the other amount, they lost, right? And when you obviously lose a trade, then they're keeping that money anyway, right? So they make out when you lose, not when you win. That's basically what this is saying here. And to make matters worse, they're using a specialized software to cause customers' orders to be executed at worse prices than appeared to the customer at the time the order was sent, and handicapping the extremely small number of successful customers to decrease customer profits and increase customer losses, because that means they keep more of the money. So there you have it. That's the case against my Forex funds, or as they're using this Traders Global as well. So that's that. So, hey, like I said, there are many, funded companies out there that will get you a funded account that are legitimate. Okay. So, but I would definitely stay away from this one, right? So, and again, I wouldn't take a funded challenge unless you've studied Forex, you've studied your strategy for at least a year, and you've taken at least 100 demo trades with that strategy. And that's really not even enough. Maybe 200, 300 demo trades. Then I would take that funded challenge, right? And if you have enough money to get your own live account, maybe with $1,000 or $2,000 to try that out as well, that's fine. But otherwise, just use a demo account. And then once you're ready, just take a funded challenge. When you pass it, you'll get access to that funded account, and you'll split the profits. You'll get 80% or 90%, whatever the deal is. So that's the deal with my Forex funds. And again, I'm not a lawyer, I'm a chef. So if I've said something wrong, I apologize for it. Don't kill me about it. But again, you can do your own search here on YouTube, and you're going to see a bunch of videos pop up with people talking about this and going over this document. And also one young lady also has the court documents as well. So that's what's going on there. Now, if we go into Firefox here, I have to get into Firefox here because if I try to use my Facebook on Google Chrome, this message just pops up saying I'm blocked. But I'm obviously not blocked. I didn't do anything. I don't do anything that I shouldn't be doing here on Facebook. And so this is my Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. And you see here, I posted yesterday, this is the weekly Smart Money Concepts overview forecast of the week for September 4th, right? This video that I do every weekend will only be available in this group to people, like I said, that have either joined me in IM Academy or they've joined me with this affiliate company, HBA. And this is the offer right here. Why am I doing this? Well, it got to the point where I couldn't just keep giving this strategy away for free, because quite frankly, it works. As you could see, if you look at the two spreadsheets that I have in the groups so far, July and August, you'll see that we're winning like 60% of the trades. And again, with our strategy, you can lose 2 out of 3 trades and still break even. You only have to win about 40% of the trades to make money. So 4 out of 10 or 2 out of 5 trades, and you make money, right? So the idea is that I can't keep giving it away for nothing, but I don't want people to have to send me money for it either, right? But what happens is a lot of people, they learn the strategy and then they get back to me and they say, Bill, hey, it's great. I learned the strategy. Thank you. But you know what? I don't have any money to open a live account. I don't have $1,000 or $2,000 or anything saved up to put into a live account to start trading to make money. And I don't even have a couple $100 to, take a funded challenge and try to get a $10,000 account, right? And again, unless, they really know the strategy and they've taken at least 100 demo trades on it themselves, they're probably not going to pass that challenge anyway and lose that $200 or $300. But the bottom line is they don't have it. So the easiest way for someone to earn additional income, right, other than just going out, getting another job, a second job, or selling things you have around the house, the easiest way is with an affiliate company. A lot of people don't like MLM or multi-level marketing. So that's not what this is. This is just an affiliate offer. It's an affiliate product. It's a company that provides live training sessions during the week to help people, drive traffic to whatever offer they're promoting. They can promote the company itself and make money, earn 80% commissions, right, of up to $125 a sale, or they can use that training to promote whatever they want to promote. You're also able to get a funnel builder with this particular offer right here for $25 a month. And that's basically what you're getting when you do this. And there's 4 proven sales funnels completely built for you inside of there. There's training on the traffic sources to use and training on how to use them, access to 7-figure marketers to share their marketing on live calls and answer your questions daily. And you can earn 80% commissions of up to $125 per sale, recurring every month as long as you keep that customer. This is my partner, Paul Turner from the UK. You want to watch his video here. He's a great guy. He builds, he helps people that join him in these programs. He builds funnels for them. They can use this page here was actually built by him as well that he's given to me. And so I just put my link here to the $25 offer. You could do the same thing. But, you have to join me in this affiliate program here for $25 a month. You're going to get a 14-day, you get access to the funnel builder. So you can build your own websites, your own web pages, your own funnels. You're going to get 4 done for you funnels with easy video instruction on how to set them up. You're going to get all this stuff for that $25 a month. And then you also get a 14-day free trial to their main product, which is called Traffic and Conversions Academy. So you get that for 14 days as well. So you could see all those traffic sources and on how to use them, even without paying for that. You'll get access to it for 14 days. So you can get to all this training, you can get on the live sessions, you can get on all the recorded trainings, you get a whole bonus vault of items there worth $1,500. Even if you don't sign up for Traffic and Conversion Academy, you just keep the funnel builder for $25 a month, right? You get access to everything in that Traffic and Conversion Academy for 14 days free, okay? And then at the end of 14 days, you could decide to keep it and pay for it. And, you can use that training to market whatever you want, or you can market Traffic and Conversion Academy, and that'll help you earn 80% commissions of up to $125 per sale. If you just do the funnel builder, then you earn 80% commissions of $20 per sale, right? Because the funnel builder is $25 a month. Okay, so basically, in order to get access to my group now, where I'm going to put this training, which is the main training of what we do, and then in addition to that, during the week, as the trade set up, right, the alerts go off that we set here on this training session here, which is only available in this group now, Forex Smart Money Supremacy. It is on YouTube, but it's unlisted, okay? It's not shared on any other sites. The link to it is only available inside of this group. I don't send it out to my list by email, not this particular one. So this is the only place you can get it. And then during the week, as these alerts go off and these trades set up, I'm going to set the trade signals, if you want to call them, here in the group. And it's going to tell you where to set your buy limit or sell limit, where to set your stop loss, and where to set your take profit. Okay. So I'm going to give you all that in this group. It's not going to be in this group anymore. Now, in this group, I will still post the trade recap every week because all that does is go over the winning and losing trades, right? And I'll also post a journal, right, that shows how many wins and how many losses we had, right, for the month, okay? Here's the journal right here. This is August journal right here. So I'll also post that, and, you know, I may post a few chart markups of trades after the fact, right? So, you know, you're not going to be able to get into the trades here because these trades will already be done, right? With 2% gains already made on, right? Like these posts that I have here. So the idea is that in the Forex Smart Money Supremacy group, you'll get access for that $25 a month. You're going to get everything that you see here. Plus, you're going to get access to my Forex training group here, where you're going to see the video every week where I mark up all the charts. And once those 4-hour point of interest alerts go off that I mark up during this session, then if a trade setup, right, if the lower time frame flip zone is created because we get that change of character on the 15-minute chart, or that choke as we call it, right? It's a break of structure that causes a change of character or choke on the 15-minute chart. And once that happens, then we're able to identify our lower time frame flip zone, which is just a 15-minute order block. And we're able to set our limit order, whether it's a buy or sell limit order, and we'll know where to set our stop loss as well as our take profit. Our take profit is always, it's a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade all the time. You could do whatever you want, but that's what we do. That's what I teach, because like I said, you're able to lose 2 out of 3 trades and still break even. Okay. So a 33% win rate, you break even, right? You lose 2 out of 3, you lose 4 out of 6, right? You lose 6 out of 9 trades, you still break even, right? You win just 2 out of 5, right? Or you win just 4 out of 10, right? Or you win just 8 out of 20 trades, you actually can make money. Okay. Now we're winning basically on average about 6 out of 10 trades. So we're at 60%, right? We were at 62, I think, in July and 59 in August. So we're averaging about 60%. So we're winning 6 out of 10 trades. So we make a lot more money winning 6 out of 10 trades than we do winning just 4 out of 10. So that's what this strategy does. And that strategy is based off of this video. This is the important video every week that I do on the weekend, where I go through all the pairs, identify the higher time frame trend. I mark up, I identify the 4-hour order block to trade from going with that trend. I mark up, set an alert at the 4-hour point of interest, which is just basically the open of that banker candle that we're using to identify that 4-hour liquidity block or order block, whatever you want to call it. If you don't understand these terms, like I always say, then you have to get with me today so I can send you a link to register for my free 9-part Smart Money Concepts video series, where you'll learn about all these different terms: order blocks, banker candles, imbalance, break of structure, choke, change of character, all this stuff, right? Mitigation. So that's what I'm doing. So the Forex Smart Money Trading Academy group here stays as a free group, but you'll no longer get access to that video every weekend where I mark up all 28 pairs that I watch, right? And you're not going to get any of the trade alerts or trade signals, if you want to call them, that I'm going to put in that group, okay? Right? Now, I want to make sure everyone understands this very clearly. These trade signals or these trade alerts, again, you can pull up. Let's see if I have them here. See something here real fast. We can pull up August results, right? This is the results for the month of August. This document should be in the group here. We won 13 out of 22 trades, 59%. And if you have taken all 22 trades, you would have 17% gain on your trading account. That's doing a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade on all 22 of these trades. Now, there were 9 losses. So this 17% gain assumes that you would have taken all 22 trades. Now, if you don't take all 22 trades, maybe you're just not very active. You don't have a lot of time to do this. Maybe you only take 2 or 3 trades. Well, what if you took the 2 or 3 losing trades? 9 of these trades did lose. So you have to remember that. That's why it's very important if you're trading with your own money, your real money, or you're taking a funded challenge, or you're trading with a funded account, you never risk more than 1% of your trading account on any one trade. And you never have more than 2 trades at risk at any one time. So that means you never risk any more than 1% on any one trade. And at any one time, you never have more than 2% of your trading account at risk. Now, what does that mean? I'm going to do some videos on this later and drop them in here. But if you have a $1,000 account, guys, 1% is $10. That means you have to adjust your lot size on that trade, depending on how many pips your stop loss is away, so that you're only risking $10. So essentially, with a $1,000 live trading account, right, you can risk $10 per trade, right, in an effort to make 20, right? If you lose 2 out of 3 trades, right, you'll lose 2 times 10, you'll make 1 times 20, you'll break even. But the point is, on a $1,000 account, you can only risk $10. Now, if you're not going to take a second trade at any time, at the same time with the other one at risk, then you can go ahead and risk 2% if you want to. So that means you'd be risking $20 to make 40. But that means if another trade comes up and your first trade is still active, so you're still at risk on it, you don't want to take it. You can't take it. Okay. Now, if you have a $5,000 account, 1% is $50, right? So you're risking $50 to make 100. Or if you're just going to take one trade at a time, you're risking $100 to make $200. But that's all, guys. You know, you can't have a $1,000 account and then risk $200 on a trade. That's how you blow your account, right? And you don't know which one of these trades you're getting. Out of these 22 trades here, 9 of them lost. You don't know which one you're going to end up getting. That's what the problem is. That's why your risk management is so important. And if you follow those risk management rules, then eventually the numbers will work in your favor, right? Eventually, those numbers will work in your favor. Okay, so that's what's going on here with the groups. Forex Smart Money Trading Academy remains a free group, but you know, you're not going to get access to the weekly video where I mark up all, where I identify the trend, mark up the 4-hour order block and 4-hour point of interest. And you're not going to get access to any of these trade alerts or trade signals that I put in the group here. They'll be in the Forex Smart Money Supremacy group. So again, to get access to that, if you're just in the Forex Smart Money Trading Academy group, you have to scroll down right here. There's this link you can click on here. And that's the link I just showed you, where you take me up on this offer here. You pay $25. You get everything up here, plus you get 14 days free access to the Traffic and Conversion Academy as well. This way, you'll be able to make some money, earn 80% commissions recurring. And so whenever you learn how to trade Forex, then through my strategy, then you'll have some money saved up so you can open a live account or take a funded challenge. So that's the whole idea behind this. Okay, so I wanted to do that today. I also wanted to update you on my Forex funds. I would just stay away from that company because they're doing some shady things, like I told you earlier in the video. So any questions, guys, drop them in the group here. If you need that free my free 9-part Smart Money Concepts video series, make sure you send me a link so you can register for that. If you want to get that power offer, I'm calling it here, you can click the link in the group, or if you need me to send you the link, just let me know. I'll send you the link, whatever. If you're watching this video on another social media site, because this video I'll share on other social media sites as well. So you'll be able to get with me to get that link so that you can sign up. Okay, guys, Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh. Happy Labor Day tomorrow. And again, on your live accounts, any account that risks real money, I wouldn't take any trades tonight, tomorrow, or even Tuesday. I'd wait till Wednesday morning when the London session opens. Take care, guys.